Most crypto exchanges have been hacked at some point, but not Kraken. So what's their secret? What we found might make you rethink where you trade. Hey, I'm Andy Roberts from FXEmpire, and we've reviewed over 50 crypto exchanges this year, so we know what makes a great platform and what doesn't. That's why we put Kraken to the test. Is it really as secure as they claim? Do the fees hold up against the competition? And most importantly, is it the right choice for you? We'll break it all down, walk you through Kraken's platforms, and by the end, give you an honest take on whether it's worth your time. So let's dive in. So is Kraken really as safe as it seems? Kraken launched in 2011, and what stands out is their track record. They haven't been hacked in over a decade of operation. The backstory here is actually pretty interesting. Their founder Jesse Powell created Kraken after witnessing the Mt. Gox collapse firsthand. He'd been working there as a consultant when their security issues brought everything down. So he had a front row seat to what can go wrong. Today, Kraken claims to have around 10 million active user accounts across more than 160 countries, including some places where you can't access popular exchanges like Binance or Bybit. But as a trader, how can you guarantee your funds are secure? The best place to start is by checking Kraken's regulations. Kraken is one of the most heavily regulated exchanges in the industry. It holds licenses from major authorities, FinCEN in the US, the UK's FCA, and a MiCA license in Europe. So why should this even matter? First of all, licensed exchanges have to meet specific security standards and undergo regular compliance checks. Their corporate setup is fairly transparent. Kraken is headquartered in San Francisco. Both co-founders, Than Lu and Michael Granaga, are active on social media, which helps build user trust. On the technical side, Kraken uses standard security practices, two-factor login, cold storage for most funds, and independent third-party security certifications. They also encrypt data storage across all devices and add passphrase protection as an extra layer. Kraken also backs all user assets one-to-one with full reserves. That even covers margin positions, future balances, and staked assets. In its latest audit, Kraken showed that it holds more than enough. 115% for BTC, 102% for Ethereum, 146% for USDT, and 202% for USDC. On top of that, you can check their reserves in real time, which adds extra peace of mind. Weighing all these factors, we gave Kraken a trust score of 4.6 out of 5. Next up, trading fees. Is Kraken expensive to trade on? Kraken offers two interfaces with different fee structures. There's the basic Kraken interface for casual trading and Kraken Pro for advanced traders. You can switch between them using the same account. The standard Kraken platform charges a fee of 1% when you buy or sell or convert crypto or fiat, which is quite high compared to many competitors. Kraken Pro uses a maker-taker model where your fees drop as you trade more volume. If you're trading over $10,000 in a 30-day period, you're looking at 0.2% for maker fees and 0.35% for taker fees. This drops to 0.20% for both maker and taker when you are trading stablecoins, peg tokens, and forex pairs. Kraken futures trading fees are among the lowest in the industry. When we tested trading $100 with 10x leverage, it cost us around 20 cents. Margin trading is a different story though. Kraken charges variable rates between 0.01% and 0.04% depending on the coin and market conditions, just to open a margin position. It then charges another 0.01 to 0.04% rollover fee every 4 hours. That adds up quickly if you're holding positions for a while. Kraken's also recently announced Kraken Plus, a subscription service that offers non-pro Kraken users zero trading fees and double returns on USDG for $4.99 a month. For deposits, most methods are free, but withdrawals can carry fees depending on which method you choose. So who does this structure work best for? Honestly, if you're using the standard Kraken platform for basic spot trading or buying crypto with a card, Kraken tends to be more expensive than competitors. We found that purchasing crypto with fiat through card or Apple or Google Pay can cost up to 5% more than other exchanges. However, if you're an advanced trader, Kraken Pro's competitive rates and low funding fees can potentially offset the higher fees for other types of trading. Overall, we rated Kraken 3.4 out of 5 for fees. Next, let's look at Kraken's features and how the platform actually works. Kraken gives you two interface options on both desktop and mobile, Lite and Pro. The Lite version is designed for beginners and has a straightforward layout that's easy to navigate. It may have limited trading options and higher fees, but it's a comfortable starting point. The Pro version is where things things get more interesting. You get detailed trading charts, advanced options like leverage trading, and automated DCA investments. Plus, those lower maker-taker fees we mentioned earlier. New users can try out a demo account to practice before risking real money. Kraken also offers additional features like a dedicated NFT marketplace, crypto staking options, and API access for developers who want to build their own tools. The mobile and desktop experiences are pretty consistent on Kraken Lite. You get the same functionality whether you're trading from your phone or computer, which is great for beginner or position traders. Kraken Pro is different though. The desktop version has extra features that aren't available on mobile, giving advanced traders more tools when they're at their computer. Kraken also has a dedicated desktop app for macOS, Windows, Linux, and Debian. It is built with pro traders in mind and offers more advanced features than the Kraken Pro web platform. You can customize almost everything, even the color scheme. It also adds multi-window support and offers even more real-time data. This makes it possible to use advanced strategies like ladder trading, which isn't possible on the mobile app or web platform. Where Kraken falls short is in some popular trading features. They don't offer peer-to-peer trading, copy trading, or automated trading bots, features you'll find on many competing exchanges. We tested the Kraken Pro platform on both desktop and mobile, so let's take a look. First up is the account registration process. Opening a Kraken Pro account is pretty quick and straightforward. Here's the interface, and you can even choose to create a business account if you want. To start, just enter your email, create a password, and select your country of residence. Next, you'll get a confirmation code sent to your email. Once that's entered, you'll move on to the verification screen. Here, you'll need to answer a few basic questions and then complete KYC. The details include your name, date of birth, address, and occupation. And after that, there are a couple of extra questions about your income and trading goals. Then it's time to upload your passport or another form of ID. The system usually verifies it in seconds. After that, you'll do a quick camera check to confirm that your photo matches your ID. And that's it. The whole process took me about 3 minutes, and honestly, it was the fastest KYC verification that we have seen on any exchange. Now, this is the interface of Kraken Pro. You start by depositing money. You can do that right here. There's a few different options available. You can deposit with fiat currency or with crypto. So let's say you make a fiat deposit with euros. You simply select a deposit method. If you prefer, you can also deposit with crypto. When depositing with crypto, you just need to select your network, for example, Solana. Withdrawing works in a very similar way, and there's also a dedicated option for that. This is the trading section. Here you'll find a wide variety of indicators and tools to help analyze the market. Charting is powered by TradingView, so there are plenty of indicators to choose from. For example, if you want to add a moving average, you can apply it directly to the chart. Here, I've just added this blue line. And besides indicators, you have some other options for data here as well. And if you want more in-depth analysis, you can go here to the Analytics tab, and you have an overview of 6 different data points. This section gives you a detailed look at any given coin, displaying price, number of trades, imbalances, and more. These detailed insights help advanced traders make more informed trade decisions and are not available on many competing platforms. Kraken Pro also has an earn section where you can put your idle tokens to work and earn rewards. Finally, in the portfolio section, you can see a chart of your performance and other data points that track your activity. And here is the History tab, which provides a full record of your trades. Now let's take a look at the Kraken Pro mobile app. Right on the main screen, you can see your total portfolio value, some categories with your favorite coins underneath. For a more detailed overview of your holdings, head over to the portfolio section. From here, you also have quick access to deposit and withdrawal options. You can easily deposit using fiat currency or choose to withdraw in stablecoins or fiat. There's also the option to transfer funds, for example, into the futures section if you want to trade derivatives. Kraken Pro also includes an earn section where you can put your tokens to work and generate rewards. Next is the trading section. Here you can actually buy and sell tokens, explore a variety of trading instruments, and analyze markets using a range of technical indicators. The charts are highly customizable. You can also expand the chart to get a better view and access additional indicators and drawing tools. There are quite a few of them. With all these features in one place, the Kraken Pro mobile app provides a powerful yet very user-friendly trading experience right at your fingertips. We gave Kraken 4.5 out of 5 for its overall trading experience. Now, what can you actually trade on Kraken? Currently, Kraken supports over 580 cryptocurrencies, including meme coins, DeFi, Layer 1, and AI tokens. That puts Kraken right up there with industry leaders like Binance. But it still trails behind altcoin-focused platforms like MEXC and Gate.io. One thing to keep in mind is what you can trade depends on where you're located. Australian traders can't access Dash, Monero, or Zcash. European traders face restrictions on a wide range of coins, including Monero, Tremp, and a wide range of USD stablecoins. And if you're in the US, there's a list of over 70 restricted tokens, plus margin and derivatives trading is only accessible if you meet specific qualifying requirements. There are also several state-by-state restrictions on staking, funding method, and custody restrictions, so if you're in the US, we recommend checking to see whether any restrictions apply to your state. On the positive side, Kraken ranks among the top 5 exchanges for liquidity, which means you can almost always execute trades without major price slippage, even on larger orders. For cryptocurrency selection, we scored Kraken 3.7 out of 5. So let's get to the most important question. Is Kraken right for you? Kraken's biggest strength is definitely its security track record and regulatory compliance. If protecting your assets is your top priority, this is where Kraken really shines. For active day traders, Kraken Pro offers solid tools, advanced order types, detailed charts, and the features you need to execute quick trades. The platform handles high-frequency trading well. If you're interested in leverage trading, Kraken supports up to 50x leverage across a wide range of cryptocurrencies, which gives you plenty of options for amplified positions. The platform works for different experience levels too. Beginners can start with the Lite version, simple interface, and access educational resources, while experienced traders get advanced tools on the Pro side. Its dedicated desktop app is also a plus for advanced traders who want access to a wider range of advanced tools for deep technical analysis or to execute complex strategies like ladder trading. Lastly, traders benefit from Kraken's excellent customer support, available 24/7 via live chat and email. Now, it would only be fair not to ignore the cons. The instant buy fees are higher than many competitors, and the cryptocurrency selection, while decent, isn't as extensive as what you'll find on MEXC or Gate.io. This matters if you're looking to trade niche altcoins or the latest trending meme coins. Geographic restrictions can be an issue too. While Kraken operates in most US states, traders in Maine and New York can't access the platform. Kraken also doesn't offer P2P trading, which limits your deposit and withdrawal options compared to exchanges that do, especially if you live in a country outside Kraken-supported fiat currencies. For regular spot trading, the fee structure isn't particularly competitive unless you live in the US. You'll likely pay more here than on other major exchanges. And if you're interested in social trading, copy trading, or automated bot trading, you'll need to look elsewhere, since Kraken doesn't support these features. Taking everything into account, we gave Kraken an overall score of 4.2 out of 5. Ready to try Kraken? Click the link in the description or in the top right-hand corner for the latest offers. And drop a comment below. What's your experience with Kraken? Or which exchange should we review next?